Hello students, I posted this question last night in our WhatsApp platform and I noticed most of us did not get it correct. So that is why I decided to record this short video to explain to you so that when you see similar questions, you could be able to answer it correctly. Okay, so the question says, neutral atoms of neon with atomic number 10 have the same number of electrons as A, oxygen ion. That's an ion. Okay, when you see any charge on an element or on an atom, it is no longer an atom. Okay, it will become an ion. Okay, I told us that ion is an atom that possesses a charge, okay, either a negative charge or a positive charge. And I also told us that we have two types of ion. We have cation and we have anion. Okay, so what forms cation? A cation is ones with positive signs. Okay, like this is a cation, this is a cation, this is a cation. All the options provided here are cation. Okay, what makes cation? When an atom donates its electron, it becomes cation. Okay, it becomes cation. So you're going to write positive. These 2 plus, it signifies that oxygen has donated two electrons. Do we understand? Then these 2 plus we see here, it means calcium has donated 2 electrons. This 1 positive, this is just a positive. It means potassium has donated 1 electron. Then magnesium has donated 2 of its electrons. Do we understand? So these are all ions. Okay, now the question is saying that, neon has how many electrons? Neon has 10 electrons. It's number 10. Of course, you already know that the number of electrons is equal to the atomic number. So neon is the number 10. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Neon is number 10, which makes it 10 electrons. Okay, so which of these also have 10 electrons? That is the question. Okay, so let's look at oxygen. Does this oxygen ion we have here, does it have 10 electrons? Now oxygen has 8 electrons, right? Yes, oxygen has 8 electrons. So if it donates 2, how many is going to remain? That is going to be 6. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. It has 8 electrons, okay? So if it donates 2, what happens? The electron is going to remain 6. Do we understand? Which means option A is not correct. Is not correct. Okay, then let's look at option B, which is calcium ion. Remember, it's not an atom. Okay, so calcium has 20 electrons because it's number 20. Okay, it has 20 electrons. So these 2 plus, it signifies that it has donated 2 of its electron. So 2 minus 20 is going to remain 18. Do we understand? That's 18, which is not 10 electrons. That also means option B is not correct. Okay, then let's look at potassium. Potassium is number 18, which means it has 18 electrons. All right, but the ion, it has one positive charge. It means it has donated 1 of its electron. Okay, so originally it has 18 electrons. If it donates 1 of its electron, how many is going to remain? That's going to be 17. Do we understand? Which means what we have here has similar electron with chlorine atom. Do we understand? Because chlorine atom has 17 electrons. Okay, so potassium ion, what we have here has similar electrons with that of chlorine. Do you understand? Because it has donated 1, so it's going to be left with how many electrons? 17 electrons. Do you understand? Then we have magnesium, option D, which means this is also not correct because it is 17 electrons and the question says 10 electrons, which is for neon. Okay, so now option D is magnesium ion. Okay, so magnesium has donated 2. Okay, magnesium, hydrogen, helium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Sorry, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Then sodium, magnesium, that's number 12. It means it has 12 electrons. That's the atom. Okay, magnesium atom has 12 electrons. Okay, so this 2 plus signifies that it has donated 2 of its electron. that makes it to become an ion, okay? So if it has donated 2 of its electron, how many is going to be left? That's 10, okay? So which means option D is correct, okay? Have you learned something?